Apple said it had placed its iPhone assembler Foxconn's plant in southern India on probation after both companies found that some remote dormitories and dining rooms did not meet required standards. The action comes after protests erupted earlier this month after more than 250 women who work at the Foxconn plant near Chennai had to be treated for food poisoning. The plant, which employs around 17,000 people, was closed on December 18, and both Apple and Foxconn didn't say when they expected it to reopen. A spokesperson for Foxconn said on Wednesday that it was restructuring its local management team, taking immediate steps to improve facilities, and added that all employees would continue to be paid while it makes necessary improvements to restart operations. An Apple spokesperson said on Wednesday it had dispatched independent auditors to assess conditions of the dormitories. Analysts have said that the impact on Apple from the closure of the plant is expected to be minimal. But the factory is strategic in the long term as Apple tries to cut its reliance on China's supply chain amid trade tensions between Washington and Beijing.